What's the meaning of Caaba? Caaba. Caaba.
Caaba. Caaba. The word Caaba refers to a small cubic building located in the city of Mecca, Saudi Arabia. It is considered one of the holiest sites in Islam and serves as the focal point for Muslims during prayer. The Kaaba is draped in a black silk and gold curtain called the Kiswa, which is changed annually, and pilgrims perform a circumambulation, tawaf, around the Kaaba during the Hajj pilgrimage. It has a rich history and holds significant religious and cultural importance in the Muslim world.